Hey lovely lock minions. So this video is going to be a lock style with bangs. And I came up with this, but I was influenced by other people. But I love lock bangs, especially when your hair gets longer. You kind of miss the short styles. You can't really, it doesn't really look the same, but you gotta make it work because the goal is length. For me, it is. So what you're gonna do is you wanna section out your hair, the front parts, because this is gonna create the bangs. So I kind of start from somewhat the middle of my head and I just get a big chunk. Now before I put it how I want it, I want to moisturize my hair. I use rose water and it gets the job done. So moisturization is the key. And my hair's, it gets dry. I have this song stuck in my head. Very nice. Okay. All right. Feels good. Okay, so as the top is separated, I'm going to gather it about right here. Put a rubber band on it. Nice. And then I have my first section. Now, you're gonna take your side sections. You're kind of just gonna move it to the side. Or you can just band it up. And you're gonna take the back section and put it in a ponytail. So let me get some more spray. And then I'm gonna use this band. You just wanna make sure you have enough on the side because you're gonna use it for later. So this is my ponytail in the back. So I have my ponytail in the back, I have this ponytail in the front, and then I have these two sides. So here, you're gonna get another rubber band. And then you're gonna start sizing out your lock. So as you see, I'm already trying to somewhat create. And then I put it in like a little ball. I try to get the bangs to go over my eyes. So when I pull it or wrap it, it starts to go back. So it starts to uncover my eyes. So once you find the right length that you want for your bangs, then you can band that thing up like so. Okay, so you kind of already see what's going on. I'm like, oh yes. And I love bangs covering my eyes though, so So you got like maybe one that's a little longer, but that's fine. So you're gonna take these sides and you're gonna wrap them. Before I wrap them, I like to want my hair again, which is what I do. Make sure you have another band. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm wrapping it to the side here. And then I take this one and I do the same thing, but on the other side. I wrap it to the side here. And so the part in the middle, what I do is I band it with a band-aid, with a rubber band. And then I'm gonna tuck this inside. I don't know if that makes sense. As I'm holding the top, I tuck all this other stuff. Inside as much as I can. Okay. Then, if you want to, you can use another rubber band to secure it. To make sure this thing ain't going nowhere. And then I'll start adjusting my locks. So this one's a little longer, so I might move this over here so I can create like a shape. That's what I usually do. And then I try to match what I see on one side to compensate. And then if you don't like some of these things poking out, stuff that thing in the bun. And stuffed it. And then usually if my bangs are like a little facing out or like doing their own things, I just wet it some more. I feel like water kind of damps it and makes it form more to your face. Cover this forehead. And then, there you go. Here is your lock bun. With bangs. If you did like this video and you want some more lock tutorial videos, please comment below and I will create. Also, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and come back to my channel, Locks for You to Love.